Hello everyone, I will be showing today how to install an extension named SQL Server Integration Services inside the Visual Studio. I have Community Edition, so let's get on with it. The first thing that we need to do is to come here to our bar and search for Visual Studio 2022. Again, as I said, I have the Community Edition. And well, now that the software is loading, I'm going to take my video out because you don't need to see my face. There you go. So this is the welcome screen on Visual Studio 2022. What we're going to do is to continue without code. It will open the software without anything inside, like we're seeing right now. So the next step is to go to the extension tab in our menus. We click on Manage Extensions, and we come here to Browse Extensions. And when we should write SSIS, and it'll be looking for the extensions. This is the one that we need to download and install. So I'm gonna be clicking on it. I'm gonna be clicking on install. It takes me to this new window in a browser where it shows me to install Microsoft Data Tool Integration Services. So I'm gonna click on Save. So I already clicked on the download button, and it shows here that my Microsoft Data Tools Integration System has been downloaded, and we're going to be installing it. But before that, we need to close completely our Visual Studio. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna click on close. I'm gonna come here to desktop, and you see it here, and I'm gonna double click on it. Now it presents us with a screen. For the language, I'm gonna choose English, and we let it go. So it stopped installing. It took a good 10 minutes, I would say, and then it just says that we need to restart in order to complete the setup. So we're going to be restarting, and that will be all for now. So once we downloaded and restarted the extension, we come back to Visual Studio. I'm going to open it. Visual Studio 2022. It will take a few more minutes or seconds to open. Then what I'm gonna do is again continue with code. You can see in this part of the screen that I already created a couple of integration services projects, but we're going to do it from the beginning. So you click on continue without code. It starts the Visual Studio main window. Then you click on File, New, Project. It shows you this window that creates a new project. The left column of this window is very convenient because it shows you the type of projects or the templates that you recently created. If you don't have anything, then you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to write SSIS, enter, and it shows you Integration Services Project. Then we click on it and we click on next. What I'm going to do is change the location of this file. So since I'm studying, I'm gonna put it in my courses and my SSIS folder, and I'm gonna call it test 3. I click on create. It takes a couple of seconds and it creates the project. This is all for today. My objective was to show you how to download and install the extension SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services for Visual Studio, and to show you how to open your first project. In a next video, I'm going to be showing you how to develop your first project. Thank you for watching.